Alright guys, here she is. This is the new toy for the channel. Got some mulch in the front seat, which is cool. So this thing has been pretty much abandoned here for 2.5, 3 years. I got it for a pretty awesome deal, so I had to have it. This is, pretty sure it's a 06 600 or 660. It still has the carbureted model. It's got a windshield, roof. It had a back window, but it's missing now. Half doors. These come, I don't know if those are standard or aftermarket on these year Rhinos. But yeah, this is it. So we're gonna get it loaded up and take it to my brother. He has no idea that I bought this for him. So we'll see what he thinks. Alright, we got it loaded. Now we're gonna go to my brother's house.
That's what you had to go get? Too sneaky.
You knew about this?
That's how you guys get shot. Why are you bitching? We just had this conversation in the truck ride. Oh, sweet.
You have a 4.5-inch lift, new tires, and 2-inch spacers on the way.
Sweet.
Jesus.
Alright guys, about to unload the Rhino here at my brother's house. You guys got strapped to the back of the Highlander. No ramps, because huck it. I think it's gonna... Oh, e-brake works. There she is, on the ground. We did clean out some mulch. It's still a bit mulchy, but we cleaned out some. Got some new oil for it. Alright, we're gonna hook this on Kyle's Rhino, which is up there. I'll get a clip of that in a second, but we're gonna tow it to my uncle's house and see if we can get it running. Alright guys, we got Kyle's Rhino in here. And we're kind of filming a few different videos here. Little sneak peek out there. The next one. But we're gonna be putting a 4.5-inch lift kit in this Rhino. I got a box over here. We got these basically just, these go on the back, these are for the front, just lifts it. And I actually have no idea what these go to, so we're gonna figure that out. They're not in the instructions, but full send, let's get after it. Alright guys, so we got the shock unbolted. This piece right here, CNC'd out, so this is gonna sit right on the outside, just like that. And then that's our lift right there. That's how much we get. So I'm gonna set the camera down, get her all bolted in, and then we'll get a before and after on the other side to see. Alright guys, we got that all bolted in. It was pretty easy. We made it look way harder than it had to be, but it's pretty easy. So we're just gonna snug them up, and we gotta put the tire on. We did not jack it up high enough. We did not expect it to sit this high, but here we are. So yeah, we're gonna tighten those up, and then we'll put the tire on. I'll get back to you when that happens. Alright guys, we just got that done. Look at that. Look at that clearance now. That's actually incredible for what we put in there, for how much it raised it. We did not put this side in yet, and you can see. And this is like floating too, because that's such an angle right now. But even the whole thing's at an angle. So we're gonna get the front end, then we'll do the back, and then we'll compare it to the blue Rhino. But yeah, let's get it done. Alright guys, so we're working on the back now. So there's a piece that's gonna come out of here, up and bolt in, but we figured out these spacers actually go on the struts, which is super, super sketchy, and I probably won't show us doing. But if you buy this kit, just know you have to do this. I wish I would have known, but I recommend professional installation for sure. But it is pretty incredible. We're gonna get this side in, we'll get these in, and then we'll get a side by side with the blue Rhino. Alright guys, so we pulled the strut out. They're currently putting that spacer in, super sketchy. So this is the lift in the back. So basically, I'm gonna try to set this camera, right? I don't know if I'm able to show you guys putting it in. But the thicker bracket goes on the outside. Then you put your little spacer in here. And then the hard goes one hand, and then the thin one. Bingo bango. There it is in place. So that's pretty much that. They're gonna get the strut back out. I'm gonna tighten this up. We got the blocks in. That's what they look like hooked up. Gonna put the tires on. And I will get outside next to the blue one. Heck yeah.
We're gonna pick that up too. Wagon. Yeah.
Yeah, look at that difference. It's ridiculous.
I feel too high.
I feel too high sometimes.
In a bad way.
Sick. What are your thoughts? Reactions?
Wow. It rides really rough, but I'm okay with that. And it's huge.
The installation was pretty easy. It only took us a few hours.
Yeah.
Without having any idea what we were doing.
Seriously?
We kind of just wang it. Like I said, these are a bit hard to put in. I'd recommend a shop doing it, or if you have a strut compressor of your own. But yeah, these are super easy. I think this is 3 inches on its own, and this is the extra inch to make it the 4.
1.5 inches up front.
Yeah.
On the top of your shock tower there. Yeah.
So these alone will make these alone made a huge difference. So if you're looking for just a simple, quick install, I'd just get the smaller kit for 3 inch. You could have it done in no time at all and be out riding. But cool. Well, there she is, all huge, right next to this guy. Now we got to work on those, and we'll see you in the next video.